Hello everyone, in this video we're going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how to install and set up GetProspect Action Automation for workflow apps. Once in your account, head over to App Marketplace, click on it, search for your app and click on it. Then it will bring you to this interface where you're simply going to click on Install. Right here, click on Allow and Install. Once your app has successfully been installed, you're going to refresh your tab and click on the custom page. Then the interface of the app is going to pop up where you have access to your documentation. We equally have the tutorials. Here we're going to have access to the SmartQ video that is going to serve as a guideline on how to get the necessary credentials to set up the app. Right beside it we have the setup, which shows the status of the app. We notice that our app haven't yet been connected. But no worries, we're going to walk you through on how to connect and set up the app. First thing, you're going to head over to your account online, click on the settings icon, scroll down and click on API. Click on new key. There we go. Our key has been generated. So we're going to click on the view icon and copy our API key. Head over back to your account. Click on Start Setup and paste your API key. Click on Complete Setup. There we go. Our app has successfully been connected and set up. We equally have the support center. At the LHILO Support Center, you can create a ticket for our support team, or you can book a call with our support team. We have the change log. At the level of the change log, you're going to see the necessary notifications concerning the new updates and the changes of this app. In order for you to receive these notifications, you're going to toggle on the notification button, enter your email, and click on subscribe. And that's it. I hope this tutorial helped you get everything set up. If you need any help, our support team is here for you 24/7. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.